Welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious tofu into the microwave in 6 minutes. So let's get started. To make this seasoned tofu, as you can see here, I have tofu packet which is 16 ounce and I'm using firm tofu, but if you can find extra firm, that would be great for this kind of recipe. And as you can see here, I took out the tofu from the other package, and this is the water which comes in packaging, like it's called whey. So you want to drain that and make sure your tofu is completely dry. And now we are going to cut this tofu into pieces. Cut it into your desired size. I like to keep it medium size so I can use as a topping as well instead of using only in the curries. So again, you can keep it however you like, small, medium or large. You just want to make sure that you drain out all the water from this tofu box or from tofu, and if you need to use paper towel, you can also pat dry with paper towel as well to get best result out of it. And here I'm sharing today really quick and delicious recipe of tofu because I do it all the time in a weeknight, so you don't have to spend a lot of time into the kitchen and cleaning the dishes. You just need one microwave safe dish or bowl and that will do a job. For seasoning here I'm using chili powder, oil, this is Cajun seasoning, and salt. And you will also need one microwave safe bowl or container or a plate. You can use it. I'm using this bowl here, and it's, as you can see, it's more flat container than it's deep, and I'll tell you why. But now I'm going to add all of my chopped tofu into this bowl, and now I'm going to add a little bit of oil, just maybe less than half teaspoon, maybe quarter teaspoon. And next is Cajun seasoning, so I'm going to sprinkle that as well, as much as you like. If you don't like too much, then just sprinkle a little bit. And then I'm going to sprinkle some chili powder as well. And this chili powder is not spicy, it's just gonna add more of flavor to it and the color than spice. And now I'm going to add salt to taste. I'm just adding a little bit of it. And at the end, I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice, just a little bit. And very gently, you want to mix all this ingredient together. Make sure you don't break any piece of tofu. Since it's really soft, it tends to break up really easily, so you just want to be careful. And just want to make sure that each tofu piece is covered with this dry ingredients, lemon juice, everything we have added, so that it can marinate really well and get all the flavor into the tofu. And I'm just sharing very simple basic Cajun flavor recipe, but I do make this very many different ways. I use Indian seasoning, I do Asian seasoning as well. So if you want to see my other version of making this tofu, then please leave comment in comment box and I'll share video with you guys. Now after tossing all this ingredient together, what I'm going to do, cover it up and let it sit for at least 20 minutes. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes, so let's check. Give it a quick stir. Alright, so I'm ready to cook this into the microwave. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out a little bit of it into this bowl, just because I'm using small container and I just want to use one container for everything. So I won't be able to fit everything into this bowl because I have to cook this in single layer. So I'll just take out a little bit of it and just arrange my tofu pieces into one layer, just like this. But if you use bigger container than mine, then you don't have to take out this into the separate bowl and you can just do it in one batch. And now this is completely optional, but you can spray it a little bit on top if you want. I'm just gonna spray it a little bit And now I'm going to put this into the microwave for 3 minutes. So this is how it looks after 3 minutes. If you want to flip them, you can flip them, or just quickly give it a stir and cook it for another 3 minutes. Alright, so this is out from the microwave after another 3 minutes. So this tofu is completely ready to enjoy, and I have cooked this for altogether 6 minutes. And let me show you the difference when it's raw and the cooked. So I hope you can see it. The ball in the ball is raw, and the in the ball is like looked more yellow and cooked. And this is my second batch that I cooked, the one I took it out in the bowl. So now I'm done cooking all my tofu, and it's looking so yummy. And I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. And if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. And I'll come back with another great recipe for you. Till then, bye bye.